Here today we have a Ford S-Max. It's the 2 litre TDCi 2010 model with roughly 80,000 miles on the clock. Right, if you've got a message on your dashboard, which this one doesn't at the moment because I know it came in early for a service, but if you've got a message which says oil service, oh actually it does say it, there you go, service oil, and you'd like to know how to reset that, I'll show you the sequence next. Right, so I'll run you through the procedure to reset the oil service reminder. Make sure you've got the key on you, it's a keyless car. Just press the power button once and just let it cycle through its checks. Make sure you've got all your doors closed and the bonnet and the boot as well. Okay, and then once you get to that stage, all you'll need is the brake and the accelerator pedals. Push them both down as far as you can. So all I'm doing is holding the brake and the accelerator pedals down as far as you can. I know it says OK there, but you don't actually need to press the OK button. Just keep the pedals depressed. And there you go, service oil reset complete. So I'll press OK, take my feet off the pedals, and that's it, reset again for another 12 months.